Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School Isapur online classes. This is your English class, and today we are going to study Chapter 7 Fair Play. So let's begin. Before you read, has your best friend ever done something you thought was wrong? What did you do then? Did you keep quiet or did you tell your friend what you thought? So, children, you must have felt that it is easier to tell someone unknown that they have done something wrong. But when it comes to our own friend, it is difficult to point it out to them because then they might not like it and the friendship might end. So, when your friend is doing something wrong, what do? Do you tell them about it or do you keep it to yourselves and keep quiet? So, this story is about a similar situation. So, let's read. Read this story about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship and enmity, or a sense of what is right and what is wrong. Enmity means feeling of hate. So let's see what we have in this story. Fair Play Part 1. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhry were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Looked after means to take care. So the other one took care of the family. Both were greatly respected in the village, and both of them had good respect in the village. Jumman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Then the situation changed. So Jumman, in exchange of the property, he could also keep the property, and then he took care of the old lady, and the old lady could not support herself. So aunt was being taken care of by Jumman. So both of them were having a good relationship by then. But later on, after a couple of years, means after 2 years, the situation changed. Jumman and his family were tired of the old relative. Now they became tired of the old relative. Jumman became as indifferent to her as his wife. So Jumman's wife was already indifferent with the old relative, but now Jumman also became indifferent. Children, what is the meaning of indifferent? Indifferent means lost interest in or did not care for. So they started to lose interest in the aunt and they did not care about her that much. So, as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. So the wife hated her so much that she did not give the little food also to the old lady. Grudged means gave unwillingly, felt angry or unhappy about giving. So she did not want to share the food also. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months. So now we are talking about the old lady. So the old lady was swallowing these insults, means she was tolerating. Swallowed these insults means tolerated them. She did not say anything in at first. But patience has its limits. Her patience was giving up. So what happened then? One day she spoke to Jumman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Obvious means clear. So here you can see the old lady is talking to Jumman and Jumman is replying to her. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. So to have food with respect, the old lady asked for monthly allowance so that she could run her own kitchen and she could feed herself. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Jumman shamelessly. So Jumman said his wife knows better how to run the house, so he did not agree to give the small allowance to her. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Children, allowance means some share of money. So he was not ready to give her little money. So the old lady then decided that she would take the case to the village panchayat, which is like a small local court. For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Now the old lady was going from one person to another and she was speaking about her problem. वो सबको अपनी प्रॉब्लम के बारे में बता रही थी. And seeking their support. Seeking means trying to get or find. And what was she trying to get? She was trying to get the support from people. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her. So sympathized means to understand. So some people out of those understood her problem, some laughed at her, and some advised her to make it up with her nephew. So, and his wife. At last she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. Now she came to Algu Chaudhary, who is the friend of Jumman. You know, Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. Jumman is his best friend. How can I go against him? So, because they were such a good friends, he was hesitating to go against his own friend in the panchayat. So Algu said, but is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? So this was said by the old lady. Old lady asked him, is it right to keep mum when you know something is wrong? Keeping mum means to be quiet and silent. So is it right to not say anything and just keep quiet? Pleaded the old lady. And the old lady requested him, come to the panchayat and speak the truth. She said. She was asking him to come to the panchayat and then say the truth. Algu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. He didn't reply then and there, but he was considering what she had said. Pleaded means requested. Mum means to keep quiet or silent, and make it up means to stop quarreling, come to an agreement with. So some people advised that she should forget about it and just make an agreement with Jumman and his wife. Part 2. The panchayat was held the same evening under an old banyan tree. Jumman stood up and said, the voice of Panch is the voice of God. So now they say this line that the voice of Panch is the voice of God. Whatever the Panch says, we will agree with that. Let my aunt nominate the head Panch. I will abide by her decision. So one of the two parties who has taken the case to the panchayat nominates a Panch, head Panch, whose decision would be agreed upon by everyone. So nominate means propose or suggest someone's name for something. तो किसी एक का नाम चुना जाता है जो कि उस प्रॉब्लम के बारे में एक सल्यूशन देगा जिसके बारे में सबको मानना होगा. इसके बारे में डिस्कशन करके वो एक सल्यूशन दे देंगे और सबको वो सल्यूशन मानना होगा. Now the Panch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. Fine, replied Jumman, hiding his joy over this unexpected piece of luck. So the old lady took his best friend's name. Who was the best friend? Algu Chaudhary. So the old lady said that Algu Chaudhary is the head Panch, and after hearing his name, Jumman was very happy because he thought that he is my friend and he will take the decision in my support only. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Jumman, said Algu. You know that Jumman is my friend, वो मेरा दोस्त है. Chachi says, I know that, replied the aunt. But I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. Conscience means the part of you that judges your morals. So she believed that Algu would not go against what is just and right. So that's why she took his name. God lives in the heart of the Panch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case, and then she started to tell about her problem and explained her case to everyone in front of the Panch. Jumman, said Algu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now I am a Panch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense? So Algu says that Jumman, you and your aunt are equal in front of me. Your aunt is as dear to me as you are. And because I am a Panch now, I have a responsibility. So you both are equal to me, equal for me. So what do you have to say in your defense? Defense means in your protection, what do you have to say? Then Jumman says, 3 years ago, began Jumman, my aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now, my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. So he says he cannot give the monthly allowance and he cannot stop the quarrels as well. So there is no solution to the situation. Quarrel means angry disagreement. Then Jumman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Cross-examined means questioned. So Jumman was questioned. Then Algu announced, we have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, opinion means point of view, Jumman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance. So now the panchayat has said that he should pay the old lady, his aunt, some monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her, or else her property will be given back to her. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. Seldom means rarely. So because Algu did not take the decision in Jumman's favor, Jumman stopped talking to him and they did not remain friends. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Jumman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. सो दोनों की दोस्ती इस कारण से टूट गई क्योंकि अलगू ने जुम्मन के पक्ष में फैसला नहीं सुनाया. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? डेज पास्ड एंड एज इल लक वुड हैव इट, चौधरी फाउंड हिमसेल्फ इन अ टाइट स्पॉट. टाइट स्पॉट मीन्स डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन. One of his fine pair of bullocks died. So one of his bullocks died and he sold the other to Samju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. So he sold the other one to a cart driver named Samju Sahu. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. So in a month's time he was to pay all the money for the bullock. It so happened that the bullock died within a month, but this bullock also died. Several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sahu of the money he hadn't paid yet. He hadn't yet paid. So he reminded him that you have not paid me till now. Then what happened? Sahu got very annoyed. Sahu got annoyed. I cannot pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. Wretched means poor and unhealthy. He brought us nothing but ruin. I have a bullock. Use it for a month and then return it to me." "No money for the dead bullock," he said angrily. So he said, "Use my bullock instead for a month, but I will not give you any money for the dead bullock." Algu decided to refer the case to the Panchayat for a second time in a few months. Preparations for holding the Panchayat were made, and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. So again, both the parties, Algu and Sahu, started talking to people to gain their support. The Panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, what did he say? "The voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head Panch. I will abide by his decision." So again the same way, Sahu nominated the head Panch, and Algu said, "I will abide by the decision." Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Jumman. Algu's heart sank, means he became sad and he turned pale. But what could he do? He could not do anything because now Sahu has nominated the name of Jumman. So जुम्मन को पहले अलगू ने कहा था कि तुमको अलाउंस देना पड़ेगा, इसलिए अब अलगू को ये लग रहा था कि जुम्मन उसके अगेंस्ट में फैसला सुनाएगा. The moment Jumman became head Panch, he realized his responsibility as judge and the dignity of his post. But then, when Jumman became the Panch, he realized what kind of weight it brings to the person to abide by the law and be truthful. So, then what happened? Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? He thought and thought. He thought a lot about it. कि मैं पंच बनने के बाद क्या बदला ले सकता हूँ, ऐसे ऊंचे पद पर बैठ के क्या मैं ऐसा काम कर सकता हूँ? तो उसने क्या डिसाइड किया? नो, नहीं कर सकता. ही मस्ट नॉट. डिग्निटी मीन्स रेस्पेक्ट. He must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. So he then decided his personal feelings should not cloud his judgment. So then what happened? Both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. They were cross-examined and the case was considered deeply. Then Jumman stood up and announced. What did Jumman announce? "It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock." So they decided that he should pay. उन्होंने कहा साहू को उस बुलक के लिए जो 1 महीने बाद के अंदर ही मर गई थी, कि अलगू को पैसे पहुंचाने होंगे. साहू ऐसे बिना पैसे दिए नहीं रह सकता है. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it. Algu could not contain his feelings. He stood up and said loudly over and over again, "Victory to the Panchayat. This is justice. God lives in the voice of the Panch." So then Algu was very happy that he got the proper result, as he was afraid that Jumman would say otherwise. Soon after, Jumman came to Algu, embraced him and said, "Since the last Panchayat, I had become your enemy." Embraced means, children, to hold someone tightly to express feelings. So, he said, हम दुश्मन बन गए थे. आज उसने ये रियलाइज़ किया. क्या रियलाइज़ किया? Today I realized what it meant to be a Panch. A Panch has no friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. So then they again reunited. Algu embraced his friend and wept, and his tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. So they both hugged each other, embraced each other and cried and wept, and all the misunderstanding was gone away. The story is taken from द स्टोरीज ऑफ प्रेमचंद. प्रेमचंद इज़ अ वेल नोन राइटर. वो एक लेखक हैं और उनकी ये स्टोरी है. सो चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. Write the word meanings in your notebook and read the whole story once again. We will meet again in the next class.